Hello children, today we will start with our chapter 9, Mumbai. So let's study about the Mumbai here, its location, its history, its climate and important government offices. As you know that Vada Pav is a famous street food of the city in India, that is your Mumbai. And Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. What it is? It is a metropolitan city of India. What it is? Metropolitan city of India, and it is the financial capital of India. So let's study about its location, where it is located on the western coast of Maharashtra facing Arabian Sea. It is the largest and the busiest seaport of India. It is important center for international trade. If we talk about climate, it has moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. So it is due to proximity of the Arabian Sea. It is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. What it's received? Heavy rain in the month of June, July and August. History, if we talk about, so Mumbai is made up of group of 7 islands. About 3000 years ago, these islands were inhabited by fishermen and they were earlier ruled by Hindus and later by Muslims, followed by Portuguese. Finally, British government took control of Iceland and named them Bombay Presidency. 1996, Maharashtra government changed the back name to Mumbai. Let's study about this culture. Majority of people live in Mumbai are the Marathi. They mostly speak Marathi and Konkani. A large population of Mumbai consists of people from other states of India. What they speak? Hindi, English, Gujarati and Urdu. All the important Indian festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dashera, Eid, Christmas are celebrated here. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival of Mumbai. Right? If we talk about the different food items that are eaten like pav bhaji, bhel puri, vada pav, they are the popular food item and Srikhand is the popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Right? So let's study about the government offices. All the government offices lie in capital, right? And which is situated in Mumbai. Who sits here? Governor, chief minister and all the state officials. Right? If we talk about industries, Mumbai is an important industrial city. Many industries like textile, your medicines, machine tool and metal goods are located over here. Baba Atomic Research Center is situated in Trombay near Mumbai. It's a first atomic research center. Right? Mumbai High is the place near the coast of Mumbai where crude oil is extracted from beneath the seabed. And the crude oil is refined to make petrol and other petroleum products. Mumbai is also famous for Indian Hindi film industries, Bollywood. Right? That is why Mumbai is also called Bollywood city. Next, transport. Mumbai has one of the best public transport system in India. Local trains are very popular in Mumbai, which carry what thousands of people every day. Bus, auto rickshaw, taxi, these are also available over here. Monorail service as well as metro rail service have made traveling in Mumbai comfortable. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport of Mumbai, busiest airport hai, and the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus of Mumbai is one of the busiest railway station also. Now places of tourist attraction. We have Gateway of India. It is most visited place in Mumbai. Near the Gateway of India is located a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Some other attraction are Hanging Garden, Asselward Jahangir Art Gallery, Kamla Nehru Park, Tarporville Aquarium, Marine Drive, Malabar Hills. These and what we call Marine Drive, that is necklace of Mumbai. It's Queen's necklace. The rock cut statue of Elephanta Cave, a few kilometers, which is famous all over the world. We have Juhu Beach and your Chhatrapati Beach, which is very famous over. Right? Some important religious places in Mumbai are Siddhivinayak Temple and Haji Ali Dargah. Famous, say, Fashion Street and Crawford Market are famous market of Mumbai. Here the case study is given to you on the Elephanta Caves. Right? So the Elephanta Caves are located in Western India. On Elephanta Island, two hillocks separated by a narrow valley. It is dotted with several ancient archaeological remains. Great Cave 1 is the most important among the caves, which measures 39 meters from the entrance. It is closely resembles Dumar Lina Cave at Ellora, India. The main body of the cave, excluding the gallery of 3 open sides and the backside is 27 square kilometers. The entrance of the cave 1 is dominated by 7-meter high masterpiece. जिसे हम सद शिवा भी कहते हैं. We have Sapta Purusha or Mahadeva, that is central full face, and Aghora or Bhairava left side, representation of Nataraj, Yogeshwara, they are found in the caves. And if we talk about, it tells you about the different forms, themes, representation, content, and execution. Elephanta caves are divided into different parts. Its pillar components and strategically placed, the caves also include what? Sanctum or your Garbhagriha. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.